Hello beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are definitely welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Okay, so today let me show you one hack on how to wash your blender easily. Okay, for me, I am so afraid of pepper. Okay, when I do anything with pepper, I run away from it. Okay, now I know what to do with my blender. Okay, so in my blender I'll be adding in detergent. You can use any detergent you have. Add in water, and this hack is very simple and it will help you wash your blender very clean and neat. Okay, so I'm gonna press the blender for it to, it's gonna blend the water. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. While we're doing this, it will wash it. And stay tuned, stay back and watch it till the end, because at the end I'm gonna show you another hack on how to keep the blender fresh. Okay, so after blending, I'll pour out that water and I'm gonna add in a fresh water. So this, I'm gonna rinse the blender with another water. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So let it keep moving till it is clean. This is very easy and simple, and with this you have a clean blender. Okay, I'll show you the next hack on how to keep your blender fresh. Okay, so the next one is vinegar. Okay, so I'm going to be using white vinegar for this, and I'll add in this vinegar into my blender. I'll add in little water and I'm going to press the blender again to start working. When you are done with this, your blender will be scenting good and well. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, your sharing. I'm not taking it for granted. Okay, so look at how sharp this blender is looking. The fear of let this blender blade not cut my hand will not be there again. Okay, so this is very easy and a very quick one too. Okay, with this your problems are solved already. So from me is bye bye. See you in my next one.